Hey everyone, it's Joe and
Michael
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, selling you the best bullion bars and coins, shipped to worldwide from Melbourne in Australia. What do we have here, Michael?
what we have here is an ANZAC Special.
Aha.
Now the reason we're doing this is a bit of a protest, I suppose. I don't try and get political on this channel at all.
Damn right it's a protest.
But I'm fairly discouraged by my state, the state of Victoria, where we can have a public holiday for a grand final parade that happens in another state, but we can't have a public holiday. Okay, the public holiday's on Sunday, but it doesn't carry over to the Monday.
That's right.
For ANZAC Day, which I think is a pretty low act, just quietly. So rather than giving the boys the day off on Monday, which is what they were voting for, we thought we'd do a bit of a special instead. Now, this is an in-store only special. I've got to make that clear right from the start. So I apologise for anyone that shops via the phone or email or online, but this one is an an in-store special only.
Yep. Let's take a quick look at the coins, just very quickly.
Alrighty. So these are a military themed, World War I themed, actually Gallipoli themed, silver coin. They are not pure coins. I need to make that. Sorry, they're not pure silver. I need to make that clear right from the start.
Right.
They are 25 grams of sterling 925 silver.
Yes.
Which equates to approximately 23 grams of silver.
That's
all up way.
Right, and it shows, where does it show? It shows it around about, on one of them
it's on the back and it's in really small type.
Yeah, that's right. But it is 25 grams of 925, of 92.5% silver, sterling silver.
Yeah.
So approximately, how many ounces worth?
23.1 something grams
of actual
silver.
Yep. And there's a few different designs there. We've got, how many? A couple of hundred of these, roughly?
Yeah.
Something like that?
Yeah.
We don't have the exact same amount of every single design, but we've got 9 different designs there, so a few to choose from, but let's tell them the deal.
Okay, so the deal is for non-military people. So we're going to have 2 deals here. Non-military people,
as in civilians.
Yeah,
as in the normies.
Yeah. So you can buy one of these coins for $20. So that's below spot. If you spend more than $1,000 in the store, then we'll give you one for free.
Right.
So no problem there.
So walk in for civilians. Walk in, just pay $20 for one of those.
Yep.
And it's a limit of 1 per customer.
Yep.
Yep. And you can, we'll show you the box. You can choose the one you want.
Have a rummage through.
Absolutely. Or spend over $1,000
and we'll give it to you.
Get one for free.
Yep.
That's for the civvies. And
so if you're current military serving, if you're retired military or you're a reservist, then come into the store and we'll give you one as a thank you for your service.
For how much?
For nothing. Well, no, for a lot. I mean, you've given a lot for your service to the country.
Yep.
So we want to honour and respect that. So you get one.
That's it. Just walk in.
Come and get them while we have stock.
Yeah.
Now, we do, Joe said we've got a few hundred of them. I don't know exactly how many, but there's at least 200 there.
Yeah.
Obviously, once they're gone, they're gone. But I don't expect to run out of stock. And it is, I've got to emphasise, it is an in-store, an in-store only special, this one.
No holds as well. I would suggest no calling ahead and saying, hold one for me. You've just got to walk into the store. Yeah.
Now, look, we'll make it for the whole week of next week. So that runs, I should have checked the dates, but from ANZAC Day Monday in the store. I know ANZAC Day is actually the Sunday, but we'll be
from the Monday to the Friday.
From the Monday through to the Friday.
Yep.
If you walk in the store and you're current serving, retired or reservist military,
have to be able to prove it somehow.
Yeah, bring your card in. It's pretty easy to prove.
Yep.
We'll give you one straight out as a thank you. No purchase required. Wow. If you're none of the above, then it's $20 unless you're spending over $1,000 in the store, and then we'll give you one there as well. And it would be really good if you walked in with one of these things stuck to you.
Of course.
For obvious reasons.
And if you haven't bought yours yet, people, the military are out there, active. I mean, service people are out there with their even they take a card now. Yeah. As well. So
And I have to admit, I actually nicked Joe's one of these. I haven't been out and got mine yet. I'm too busy, but I will ensure that I do that.
Thank you for your honesty. I appreciate it. That's cool. All right, so that's a great deal. Active, retired, military service, or reservist. Just walk in and get one of these coins for free. You do not need to purchase anything. This is a thank you for your service. Just thank you for being you and for being so good to our country. But you know the deal for the civilians: $20 or spend over $1,000 and get one for free. Is that it?
That's it.
Good. All right. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. We'll hopefully see a lot of you in the store between Monday and Friday next week. Have you know a reflecting ANZAC Day.
Absolutely.
On Sunday, and we'll speak to you guys soon. That's it from me.
And from me too.
See ya.
See ya.